This is a straightforward software comparison. An AI voice guides the walkthrough.
Tastytrade takes a radically transparent approach to pricing, which is one of its strongest differentiators in an industry often filled with hidden fees and layered subscriptions. There are no platform fees, no monthly subscriptions, and no tiered plans to navigate. Stock and ETF trades are completely commission-free to open and close, including fractional shares, making Tastytrade immediately cost-efficient for both long-term investors and active equity traders who want predictable, low-friction pricing. Where Tastytrade truly defines its identity is in options pricing. Opening an equity or ETF options contract costs $1 per contract, while closing the position is completely free. On top of that, there is a built-in commission cap of $10 per leg, which is extremely powerful for traders using multi-contract strategies, scaling positions, or managing high-volume options portfolios. Once the cap is reached, any additional contracts in that leg are effectively free to open, significantly reducing marginal costs as position size increases. For futures traders, Tastytrade maintains the same straightforward pricing philosophy. Standard futures contracts are priced at $1 per contract per side, while micro futures are lower at 75 cents per contract per side. Options on futures cost slightly more but remain competitive compared to traditional futures brokers that often layer in routing, platform, or clearing fees. Cryptocurrency trading is also commission-free, simplifying cost calculations for traders who want exposure without complex fee structures. Feature-wise, Tastytrade is built by traders for traders, with a clear focus on options, analytics, probability-based decision-making, and portfolio-level risk management rather than visual charting aesthetics. The platform includes advanced options chains, implied volatility analysis, expected move calculations, probability of profit tools, and intuitive strategy builders that allow traders to model complex spreads quickly. The interface is intentionally designed to surface risk metrics visually, making it easier to understand delta, gamma, and overall portfolio exposure without relying on external spreadsheets. Futures trading is fully integrated into the same environment, allowing traders to manage stocks, options, futures, and crypto from a single dashboard. Education is embedded directly into the platform through live shows, strategy walkthroughs, and research content that closely mirrors real trading workflows. The strengths of Tastytrade lie in pricing clarity, options-focused efficiency, and a workflow that supports disciplined, systematic trading decisions. Active options traders benefit enormously from the commission cap, while futures traders appreciate low per-contract fees and included market data. However, there are trade-offs. Charting is functional, but not best in class. Customization is limited compared to professional trading terminals, and traders who rely heavily on advanced technical analysis, order flow tools, or footprint charts may find the platform restrictive. International availability is also more limited than some global brokers, reinforcing that Tastytrade is best suited for traders who prioritize options, execution, cost control, and probabilistic thinking over deep technical customization. Now shifting to MotiveWave pricing, and this is where the model becomes very different. MotiveWave offers both subscription-style leases and one-time purchase licenses, depending on how you want to pay. There is a free community edition that provides basic charting and indicator access, making it a zero-cost entry point for traders who want to explore the platform. From there, pricing scales based on feature depth. Monthly lease plans start at a relatively low cost for the standard tier and increase as you move into order flow, Elliott Wave Lite, Pro, and Ultimate editions. Higher tiers unlock advanced capabilities like order flow analysis, DOM tools, Elliott Wave analysis, scanners, strategy backtesting, and custom instrument creation. For traders who prefer ownership over subscriptions, MotiveWave also offers one-time purchase licenses that range from a few $100s for the standard version to well over $2,000 for the Ultimate edition. On top of that, There is an optional annual fee for updates and support, which is charged separately. This hybrid model gives traders flexibility, but it also means total cost depends heavily on which tier you choose and whether you want ongoing updates. Feature-wise, MotiveWave is a professional-grade technical analysis platform. It supports advanced charting, non-linear and second-based bars, market replay, strategy backtesting, and multi-broker connections. Order flow traders get access to advanced DOM, footprint-style tools, and market depth analysis in higher tiers. Elliott Wave traders benefit from dedicated wave counting tools, pattern recognition, and scanners designed specifically for wave analysis. At the Pro and Ultimate levels, MotiveWave adds automated strategies, harmonic scanners, custom instruments, and advanced workspace management. This makes it a very deep platform aimed at technically driven traders who rely heavily on chart analysis and historical testing. On the Pro side, MotiveWave offers extremely powerful analysis tools, flexible pricing models, broad broker connectivity, and one of the more complete Elliott Wave and order flow toolsets available in retail trading software. The ability to choose between leasing and owning the software is also a major advantage for different budgets and trading styles. On the con side, the platform can become expensive at higher tiers, especially when factoring in update and support costs. The learning curve is steep, and it's not beginner-friendly. MotiveWave is also not a broker, so you still need a separate trading account to execute trades. Traders who prefer simplicity or built-in education may find it overwhelming. In terms of user feedback, based on Trustpilot data, Tastytrade currently holds a rating of 4.1 out of 5, based on 574 reviews. MotiveWave software holds a Trustpilot rating of 3.7 out of 5, based on 128 reviews. As always, reviews are subjective, sample sizes matter, and experiences can vary widely depending on trading style and expectations. Ratings can also change over time, so viewers should verify directly on Trustpilot before making decisions. Final takeaway: if your priority is live trading in stocks and options with transparent pricing and continuous education built directly into the platform, Tastytrade is the stronger and more accessible choice. If your focus is advanced technical analysis, order flow, Elliott Wave tools, backtesting, and deep chart customization, and you're comfortable managing separate software and brokerage costs, MotiveWave operates in a completely different category built for that purpose. These tools don't replace each other, they solve different problems. If this comparison helped, hit like, subscribe for more honest trading software breakdowns, and click the link below to explore the platform that actually fits how you trade, analyze markets, and build consistency over time. Not just what looks powerful on paper, but what truly supports your edge.